Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. Stylist cuts off quite a few inches. Ooh, nice fresh bob makeover. So pretty. And then we move into transformation number 2. It looks like she wants more of like that wolf cut style. This is a great way to add like some layers to your hair, instant volume. Very cute. This definitely frames her face out very nicely. Oh, I love it. It's like the hair just added some personality to her overall look. So chic and fun. Come with me to cut my hair. So she has some coffee here. She gets a nice fresh old money style bob. Pop of color going there in the bangs, just a slight pop. So we have some bangs being added to the next style. Gorgeous full blunt bangs going here for this look. Very nice. And then we have a layered hairstyle. So she's going to get the hair installed. Beautiful chocolate brown color. There, the stylist is cutting in the layers to frame her face. Pen curls to set those layers. Beautiful. I really like the color here. Nice dimensional chocolate brown. So then we move on to the next one. So she has color going towards the ends. Stylist chops off the hair. Quite a few inches cut with this one as well, and she does get a color refresh here. Oh, she goes darker. Oh, I feel like this is the perfect makeover for the fall, going darker and getting a bob. Very nice. Not loving the wavy, crimpy texture there towards the ends, but very cute bob with the color overall. So here we have someone with mid-length hair. Looks like she also wants a bob. This is such a popular hairstyle. I just see it all the time on TikTok. A lot of girls are getting the bob with the bangs. So he cut the hair into a bob, and then he started mixing the bangs in, did a nice blowout for volume. Gorgeous. Hair is nice and full. The curtain bangs go in there in the front. So here we have someone who's also getting a bob with bangs. Like I said, this is a very popular hair trend right now. And she starts off with like pretty long mid-back length hair. She's all smiles, cuts in the bangs. Ooh, very nice. This bang does feature some layers in it too, really making the bangs pop. Very cute. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyles that were featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.